to do is actually set up my pedal commander with Bluetooth. Alright, so I come on my app store, I search up pedal commander, go ahead and install, blah blah blah, it'll start doing its thing. Alright, you'll know when it's done downloading. It'll be able to open, press I agree. Next step is connections. Go ahead and press connections, save Bluetooth devices, add another pedal commander. Alright, so it is scanning and it's something is showing up right here. Please enter code behind your pedal commander. Alright, so I went ahead and put in a code. It's actually just the serial number that comes right behind your pedal commander, so you'll be able to see that easily just once you turn it around. Please enter a name for your pedal commander device. So let's call this RAM 2500. Save. Try to connect. And again, my key is in the ignition and is actually on the, not the accessory, but it's on the run position. Okay, so it looks like it has actually made a connection. There's nothing that the module actually looks like to show that it is actually connected. Right. So let's say if I want to go city, changing, boom, whoa. How about if I want to play a little more? Changing, Sport Plus. Sport Plus. Let me play maximum. I really want to play. Changing. Boom, +3. Maximum play. Okay, so as you can see, all you're going to have to do is essentially make sure that you are connected by Bluetooth to your pedal commander module, which is as simple as what I just showed you. And once you get into the car, pedal commander is obviously on. You want to make sure your Bluetooth is set up and it connects to your pedal commander. Alright, and it'll show you on your settings of your phone. Alright, and that's it. Essentially, if that's all I want, I can just essentially leave and I'll be good to go.